Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to adjust your desktop icon spacing on your Windows 11 computer. So if you notice your icons are all over the place, or perhaps you want them to not be aligned to a grid, so either way, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to make that adjustment, and we're going to go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is right click in a blank area on your desktop, select View, and then where it says align icons to grid, go ahead and check mark inside of that if you want to align them to a grid. Otherwise, you can right click, select view, and then just uncheck align icons to grid, and that will allow you to move them however you want on your screen. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.